Today I am reviewing the Trackhawk VL03 GPS Tracker with Kill Switch. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Vehicle theft and asset management have become major concerns for individual car owners, fleet managers, and car rental hosts alike. Today, we are doing an in-depth review of a device designed to give you absolute control over your assets, the Trackhawk VL03 GPS Tracker with remote kill switch. This hardwired unit operates on high-speed 4G LTE networks to deliver real-time vehicle tracking, driver behavior monitoring, and unparalleled anti-theft immobilization. Because this is a serious security product that requires an ongoing subscription, it is important to know exactly what you are paying for and how it performs in the real world. Let's break down the installation, the software features, and the live security implementation to see if the Trackhawk VL03 lives up to the hype. The most critical and unique feature of the Trackhawk VL03 is its integrated ignition kill switch. Unlike standard plug-and-play OBD trackers that only tell you where your car was after it has already been stolen, the VL03 includes a physical starter kill relay. This requires a hardwired installation into your vehicle's constant 12-volt power, ignition circuit, and starter line. Once wired discreetly beneath your dashboard, this setup gives you global immobilization power. If an unauthorized user or thief gains access to your keys, or even attempts to hotwire your asset, they are dead in their tracks. By simply opening the Trackhawk mobile or web application, you can issue a remote engine disable command. This command completely kills the starter circuit from anywhere in the world. The vehicle simply will not start, rendering it completely useless to a thief and giving you ultimate peace of mind. Because the system relies on premium 4G LTE cellular coverage, the location accuracy and refresh speeds are phenomenal. When your vehicle is parked, the system enters a power-saving mode and updates its location every 10 minutes. However, the moment the built-in accelerometer detects motion or an ignition-on status, the device kicks into hyper-responsive live tracking. On the move, the tracker defaults to updating its exact coordinates every 10 to 15 seconds. If you are tracking a stolen vehicle, managing a fleet of delivery trucks, or monitoring a rental car listed on platforms like Turo, this rapid refresh rate is a lifesaver. The web dashboard maps everything seamlessly, allowing you to establish customizable geofences with instant push notifications when a car crosses your defined boundaries or operates outside of a permitted schedule. In addition to being an absolute theft deterrent, the Trackhawk VL03 functions as a powerful driver monitoring tool. Using internal G-force and voltage sensors, the tracker constantly analyzes how your vehicle is being handled on the road. It provides in-depth data and generates immediate alerts for harsh acceleration, aggressive braking, sharp high-speed cornering, and even excessive idling times. For fleet managers trying to lower fuel costs and reduce wear and tear, or for parents keeping tabs on a teenage driver, this data is invaluable. It helps you coach better driving habits, identify reckless behavior before an accident occurs, and potentially lower your long-term insurance risks. From a design and hardware perspective, the VL03 is remarkably compact, measuring just 3.6 inches long. Its small footprint ensures it can be easily hidden away from modern theft detection techniques. The device features an IP65 rated water-resistant enclosure, protecting its internal logic from moisture and dust beneath the dash. Crucially, it includes an onboard backup battery that can keep the tracker online and transmitting for up to 48 hours if your vehicle's primary battery is disconnected or if a thief attempts to tamper with the wiring harness. This layer of security ensures that you maintain full situational awareness even during a power interruption. While the unit does require a subscription to cover the 4G LTE cellular data and cloud platform access, the sheer scope of security features justifies the investment. It effortlessly bridges the gap between basic location tracking and proactive asset protection. With 24/7 monitoring, rigorous anti-theft safeguards, comprehensive driving analytics, and a flawless remote kill switch, the Trackhawk VL03 provides ironclad security and total operational oversight for any car, truck, or trailer.